At the end of this course, you will be able to identify the 3 types of machine guards, describe the different kinds of safety devices found on machinery, explain how the various types of guards and devices protect you from machine hazards, and inspect guards and devices for damage, worn parts, and proper alignment. Press the forward hand to begin the Introduction to Machine Guard Safety. At the end of this topic, you should be able to identify common machine hazards, recognize the 3 regions of a machine where hazards can be encountered, and describe the difference between machine guards and safety devices.
100 years ago, there were 10 times more industrial accidents than there are today. Many of them occurred because machines had few safety features, and training workers about how to do their job safely wasn't a priority for most companies. Today, properly guarded machines and effective training programs have made workplaces much safer. Yet even with these precautions, machine-related accidents still injure thousands of people every year. Most of these incidents occur because workers come in contact with moving machine parts, flying debris, or material that can kick back, all of which can cause severe injuries. There are 3 areas at a machine where hazards can be encountered. They include the machine's perimeter, the area around a machine, where falling objects, flying debris, and other hazards exist. The drivetrain, the moving parts that run the machine. And points of operation, where a machine's mechanical or electrical energy is used to cut, bend, move, or otherwise process materials. In general, it is a machine's movements that dictate the kind of hazards that it presents. All machinery operates using a combination of 3 basic motions. Rotation, moving in a circular pattern. Reciprication, moving back and forth. And transverse motion, moving in a straight line. When these are combined, they produce articulated motion. This can be especially dangerous because articulated motion makes it hard to anticipate which way a machine's parts will move at any given time. Because all of these types of movements can create hazards, using machine guards and devices is essential to protect people who work with this type of equipment. Machine guards and safety devices protect you in different ways. Machine guards provide protection by covering hazardous areas with a barrier of clear plastic, metal, or some other material. Safety devices don't use physical barriers. Instead, they prevent injuries by either stopping a machine when a worker gets too close to a hazard, or by restraining the machine operator's hands so they can't touch moving parts.